Good morning, Woodlynde School. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, and as you can see, I'm recording my morning assembly outside in my garden, which is one of my favorite places to be, so I thought I would share that with you this morning. I also wanted to share that moving forward, we're going to be doing our morning assemblies very differently. As I've thought about morning assembly and what it means to us as a community, I've thought about the fact that it's being all together. It's students and adults. And because it's not easy for me to do that alone here while we're in social distancing, I've gotten together with Mr. Shank and some students, and each week now we're going to record a morning assembly together via Zoom. And each time we do this, we'll be addressing different questions that the students will answer for us and discuss and share. And I think it's going to add a lot more sense of community to our morning assembly. So I'm really looking forward to sharing the first one with you this coming Friday. The other thing that I'd like to start doing and add to our sense of community as we move forward with Distance Woodlynde is to have a theme for the week. So this week's theme is going to be the pets that we have at home and how they've helped us get through distance learning and being home and being away from school. This week I had the chance to jump into a lot of different Zoom classes in all three divisions of the school. And one thing I noticed was a variety of pets that were prevalent in those different classrooms. Sometimes it was a dog or a cat that might pass by a student in the room or even one of our teachers. Sometimes it was somebody's lizard who I saw, and other times they actually were stuffed pets that have kept people company and students company as they've been joining in their classes. So this week, if you have a special pet that you would like to talk about or share a photo of and could send that to me via email, those are photos and stories that we can share via our social media this week. And each week I'll share with you a new theme. I'm hoping that will keep us connected and help us with our sense of community as we move forward with Distance Woodlands. I'd also like to share with you the birthdays of this week, and so I'm going to read those to make sure I don't miss any. We have two adult birthdays, two colleague birthdays this week. Mrs. Goldman, she celebrates her birthday on the 15th, and Doc Simmons on the 18th. Let's wish them both happy birthday. We also have two students celebrating birthdays this week. Taylor in 7th grade celebrated yesterday on the 13th, and Alan in 11th grade celebrates on the 18th. I hope you all have a wonderful birthday week. And now I hope you guys have a great start to your week. I hope your Zoom classes go well, and I look forward to continuing to pop in and see everybody throughout the week. I wish you all my best for a great day. Thank you. Bye.